Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. I received some requests if I could make a video about how to open your third eye. Some practical steps to open our third eye energy center. So today we'll be talking about that, so I hope you're ready. Firstly, just to say that often people associate the third eye just with mystical experiences or having visions for the future and maybe seeing through different timelines. So our third eye has everything to do also with mental clarity, with the ability to think and see things more clearly, to lengthen our attention span. Because many people are living their lives with a truly short attention span. Therefore, they're always distracted by all possible things, even their thoughts. So we need to train ourselves to lengthen our attention span so we can focus on one thing for a longer period of time. And usually we are using meditation to do that. In meditation we place our attention onto a certain thing, and then we are keeping up the attention on that thing without any distraction. So you may be distracted by certain thoughts, but you get back to the point of awareness. You may be distracted by something from your environment and you get back to a certain point of awareness. So that's how we train our attention, and same is with our third eye or any energy center within our bodies. If we want to increase or activate the energy or raise the energy in certain energy center within our bodies, we just place our attention there, because wherever we place our attention, we start feeding it with our vital life force. It starts growing, it starts expanding. And we may experience it that way. You place your attention to something sad, to a sad story, or to an image which represents sad emotions. You place your attention there, and more you're focusing on that image, more you will feel it emotionally. Same as you focus on something positive. Let's say there's an image of a joyful person. More you are focusing on that image, more you will feel it emotionally. That's why you've received a feedback of your investment. So if you focus on your third eye energy center, for example, for 5 to 10 minutes, you will feel an increased energy within your brain. And if you will not expect anything to happen, something will happen definitely. The problem is that people always expect something to happen. I want to see beings of light, I want to experience something mystical, I want this to happen, I want to experience healing, and therefore nothing happens, because as long as we are expecting something, we are blocking it to happen. We need to be in flow state. We need to be spontaneous. We need to be natural. And in order to be spontaneous and natural, we need to be in the flow of just being in the present moment. That's how can we activate our centers, and that's the magic of meditation. We learn to be in the present moment. And present moment is a moment of flow, which is happening moment by moment. That's where we step into the flow state, like an artist who is painting or creating. I'm an artist, and every time when I'm creating, I get into the flow state where I stop thinking, I'm not analyzing, I'm not focusing on time, I'm not aware of the space where I am. All I know is that I'm creating, and that creation is happening through me. So that's what happens when we learn to get into that flow state. So to activate your third eye, you can start by slow breathing. Breathing in slowly and calming down your body. And then pausing at the top of your breath for a moment and breathing out slowly and pausing your body, slowing down, relaxing your body, getting more into this moment, and you breathe again. Slow deep breath to the top, and you pause and relax, and slowly you breathe out while relaxing your body. You pause there and you breathe in once again. That's the process of breathing, and you can keep up with that. If this is already a meditation for you, you can keep up with that. Keep breathing deeply and slowly until your body will get completely relaxed. And then keep up with that. More you are relaxing your body by slowing down your breathing, more you feel safe in this present moment. More you feel safe in this present moment, more you will feel relaxed in this present moment. And more you feel relaxed in this moment, more you are surrendering the control. More you are surrendering the need to experience anything. Once you don't have any desire to experience anything, you will experience everything. Once we let go of any desire, of any need to experience anything, we will experience everything, and life will bring to you whatever you need to experience at that moment. That's how will you awaken any kind of an energy center within your body. But during that process, if you place your attention after that relaxed state into the center of your brain or into the back side of your brain and neck, there will be a lot of creative energy traveling into that area of your body. And suddenly, your center will become more activated. So stay focused on that area of your body. If it helps, you can imagine that there's a light expanding in that area of your body. And just feel the expansion of it until you become it, until all of your attention is in that area of your body. You sense nothing else but that area of your body. And you just be with it. And you can set a timer for 10 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. And by doing that consistently, you will rewire your brain to think more clearly, to have a greater mental clarity, which will help you to take more conscious decisions or make more conscious decisions in your life, which will help you to become more organized and more spontaneous. It will help you to become more creative in your life, because we are the extension of the Creator, of the Source. Therefore, our greatest job is to be creative, to express our unique light. So you may feel more inspired after doing that. You will feel more grounded, because not just that you've activated your third eye, all your energy centers in your body will align. Your nervous system will receive a greater coherence, which is a byproduct of aligned energy, a higher energy in your body, so your body will feel relaxed. Certain healing may take place within your body after doing that. So be aware with this. but don't do it with certain intentions, like with a need to experience something, because your subconscious mind will always bring to you what you need to experience. Your subconscious mind will always bring to you what you need to experience. So the greatest block when it comes to our third eye is having expectations. Without any expectations, doing it with curiosity, doing it with a great amount of self-love, you will always have a beautiful experience out of it. And sometimes something will happen, sometimes nothing will happen, but all the time you're doing a great job. All the time you are realigning your energy so you can be more in tune with your true self. You can be more in tune with your natural state of being. So you may find out that it's not about having any kind of beliefs of what could happen or what should happen or what you would need to experience, but rather just knowing yourself better, recognizing what is your natural state, recognizing what feels good to you and what doesn't serve you anymore. Your activated third eye will help you to reassure why you've come here at the first place, by recognizing what feels more natural to you. Whatever you're doing in your life, you will become more aware through your intuition, what feels more natural to you. And when I say natural, I mean that you're doing something without any force, like without any strong will. It is just happening through you. Like when you're doing something you love so much that it feels like it is almost happening by itself. That's why people, when they go through that kind of spiritual awakening, they usually like to change their jobs. They like to start working on certain new projects. They become more creative. Many artists are like, they initiate their art mission after that certain awakening, because we become more creative and we become back in tune with that calling which we felt as little kids. And that's the beauty behind that process. So rather than following any kind of belief or any kind of idea what should happen, do it out of curiosity, not out of fear, not out of any kind of emotion, but just out of curiosity for the unknown. So my friends, this is it for today. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. And I'm sending you lots of love, blessings, and power. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next one. One love.